Hey friends, so we decided to go camping this past weekend for the Memorial Day holiday 2024. The kids' last day of school was on Friday, so we figured why not go ahead and hit the road and go to Orlando and do a little bit of camping for the weekend. So we drove there, of course, because it's only an hour away. That's the kids in the back seat, and they were having a mean game of tic-tac-toe, which they were really good on the car ride there. They were really patient, and it's only an hour and a half away. So we packed a few snacks and we just did it. So we arrived at KOA Holiday, and I must admit, my first thought was, this is not as campy as I thought. A lot of concrete around. I don't see a lot of trees. I don't see a lot of shade. So I don't know about this. So anyway, I go to check in and the family stays in the car. The check-in is like a little gift shop where they're also selling things, so you could buy just some random stuff or like sunscreen if you forgot anything. So after that, after the check-in, we went to our cabin, and here is the girls. They, of course, like to be the first to go in the cabin and check it out. And, of course, they were ecstatic. So that's the grill. You walk in, it was very clean. It's like one of those little tiny houses that you see on HGTV. That's the bunk beds that the girls have in their room. It's a little kitchen. It gives you a refrigerator, a microwave, and a sink. You have a little couch there that turns into a let-out bed. We had little patio furniture. And here is mommy and daddy's room. The bed was very comfortable. There was a ceiling fan, a TV, and the whole nine. So we had exactly what we needed for the weekend. There is the shower and the sink. So it definitely beats staying in a tent and having to use the community bathroom and use the outside amenities for everything. So it was really cool, different experience for us. I don't know that we'll be wanting to go back to a tent after this. So of course the girls left out as daddy is still unpacking the car, and they wanted to hit the park. It's really cool because the park was directly across the street from us. So the girls ran back and forth to the park all weekend, had a great time playing. When the other kids arrived, they also went to the park, and the kids just stayed at the park. And it's kind of nice to see them just outdoors having fun. Rhea came back like within 20 minutes for a snack. She wanted to get hydrated, so she loves watermelon. So she ate a ton of it. When the other kids got there, Kristen decided to read to them. They're younger kids, so she really took them on and was playing with them and doing little activities with them. So it was really cute. She tried to engage them all weekend. I kept forgetting pictures of and videos of our food. So that is the stove that we cooked on to make pancakes and sausage the next morning. I forgot to get a picture of it, so that is kind of the aftermath. We decided to go canoeing. That was one of the highlights of the trip, let me tell you. So that is us first arriving at the canoe center, which is about 30 minutes away from KOA. And we were picking out our boats. That is me and my family in our canoe. And that is the view from our boat. Anthony was in the back, the girls were in the middle, and I was in the front. And that is the open waters. It was very relaxing. Very fun. I mean, just really just gives you a chance to really look at nature and really experience being out there on the water. It was really cool, and the girls enjoyed it. A little bit of tension in the boat, making sure that we steer the right way, but eventually we were able to turn on some music and just really just cool out and vibe and just really enjoy seeing the turtles and the fish. And we didn't see an alligator this time, but we heard that there's a a big guy in the water. So it was really cool. So after we did the canoeing, we went back to the campgrounds and just hung out at the pool. It was almost 100 degrees. So the girls immediately wanted to get in some water. And I'm that mama that was able to sit back and just kind of watch them in the pool and kind of yell back and forth if I needed to. That's Rhea going to jump in. I have no idea why she has on blue jean shorts instead of her bottoms. That's Kristen with a bunch of snails all weekend long. They enjoyed catching the little snails. They were so cute. They kept them. They tried not to kill any of them. They put them on the paper plate. They just did a really good job of inspecting them and taking care of them and just enjoying outdoors and natures. At night, we did go back over to the park and enjoy jumping in the bouncy house. As you can see, the adults and the teenagers are out there jumping in the bouncy house as well. That's Mr. Johnny coming out, bouncing super hard. The kids and all the adults, we laughed and laughed and laughed. We loved it. We had a midnight basketball game where the kids were up to about 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the morning. We were playing basketball. We were just laughing and talking. And overall, it was just a great experience. Kristen and I kind of ended the night on the swing, just kind of talking. And she gave us all a little mini podcast on the way she feels about life and the way she thinks her life is going to go. Hilarious. That was our KOA holiday camping adventure.